Hey everyone, it's Harfoam here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to go ahead and create a Microsoft account so that you can play Minecraft and a ton of other cool games. And now without further ado, let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open up your favorite web browser, whatever it may be. And once you have opened up your web browser, what you need to do is just go ahead and click on the link in the description, and it's going to take you to this page where you have the option to sign in or create a Microsoft account. Now since you want to create a new Microsoft account, just go ahead and click on it. And now what this will do, as you can see, so you can go ahead and create your account. Now, if you want, you can use a phone number instead of an email, and you can use any of your Gmail that you have, or if you want, you can get a new email address, which is from Outlook. So I'm just going to type this as foam@outlook.com just for this video's sake. Or if this email isn't available, you can claim anything else that is available and then go and click on next. And then what you want to do is go and create your password. And once you set your password, what you need to do is go ahead and solve this puzzle. All right, it's a simple puzzle that you can solve within like 2 seconds, and then go and click on done. And so once you solve this puzzle, basically, yeah, there you go. Your Microsoft account is created without any problems. And now that you have created your brand new Microsoft account, you can go ahead and add your photo, you can add your full name, you can also edit your date of birth, and make sure to set your date of birth to 18 plus. And then you can also add your country or region, and all of your account info is there. And this is basically how you create a Microsoft account in 2021. If you guys did find this video useful, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Now, goodbye.